So today we got a pretty cool car in. It's a 67 GTO, belongs to AJ. It's pretty rad. You know, we had her on last year.
I was really happy with the job that Steve and Bird did on my 69 Mach 1 Mustang. I mean, they did a phenomenal job. And now I have this 67 Pontiac GTO that I'm really excited to add to my collection.
Hi, AJ. Hi.
Hey guys, good to see you guys again.
Nice to see you.
What do you got?
This 67 GTO has a little bit of a pedigree, a little bit of a Hollywood pedigree. I know that it used to be a car that was used in a lot of Hollywood films.
You know, actually, The Rock used it in one of his movies. Do you smell what The Rock is cooking? Just how to do that.
She was a bit of a Hollywood car, maybe a little bit of a Hollywood diva. I wanted to look like she did when she made her debut in my calendar.
Right.
Because on my calendar, she was like, she was
beauty, huh?
spotless.
Right.
And she photographs amazing. Exactly.
Okay, we could do that. So you like this one?
Yeah, I like it. It's gonna be a good little car. She'll be happy when we're done.
Yeah, go figure. You bring something he likes. Anything I bring is a
Yeah, nice.
Well, she's got better taste than you. She knows what she's doing, you don't.
I'm gonna start wearing makeup. So my next stop is critical. OPGI. I know almost everyone over at OPGI, and today I'm gonna meet up with Jeff Miller, who was the very first mark on Overhaulin. What's going on, Jeff?
Hey, how you doing, man? How's it going?
Nice to see you.
How you been?
Good.
Good.
How you feeling coming off that nice win earlier this year?
That wasn't too bad. It was a good
Yeah?
time, Barrett Jackson.
Yeah.
The Barrett Jackson was pretty awesome. Chip Boost came out with me.
This changed the way that we build cars today. This is a piece of not only car, but television history.
We did it, man. We sold it for some big bucks.
I packed up the parts with Jeff over at OPGI, and I got them sent over to Bird.
We're gonna go ahead and knock the rear end apart and re-gear the rear. It's gonna help make it a little bit better on the highway.
The original gearing in the GTO was higher, so what we did was we put a lower gear in it. That way, when we're on the freeway, it runs way better. It doesn't feel like it's revving up. It could have been possible because it was a movie car that they geared it differently, but that's why we got it and we put the proper gearing in it so AJ could actually really enjoy the car.
She sounds solid.
I mean, look at her.
Wow.
OPGI, they definitely hooked us up with all these beautiful new emblems and seals. Take a seat, jump in your car.
Okay.
Tell us how it feels. OPGI, they hooked us up with a brand new steering column. So
The
now
gauge
it's
clusters.
Yep.
Wow.
They did that as well. OPGI, brand new gauge cluster, wiring harness, dash pad, wood trim.
Even my brake.
Yep.
Well, you got power disc brakes now.
Yeah, no
Yes.
more drums.
Oh my gosh, now I can actually stop.
Yes.
And stop, not stop like 100 feet away before I get to the stop sign.
You don't have to make it a thought to stop. It will
Okay.
stop for you.
From what I saw under the hood, under the car, all around sitting in it, she's solid, and I cannot wait to take her for a spin.